This is a mailbox file like Lotus Notes or Eudora. It stores a collection of emails. You can often import it into Thunderbird to read the messages. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's import the mail. For those complex BOX formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. A BOX file is a database file used by Lotus Notes, now HCL Notes. It stores emails, calendar entries, contacts, and other data within a Lotus Notes database. These files are proprietary and require Lotus Notes or a compatible application to open and access their contents. They are essential for managing and archiving information within the Lotus Notes environment. The BOX file format is a complex proprietary structure designed for efficient storage and retrieval of various types of data. It supports features such as replication, security, and indexing. The file contains metadata about the database, including its name, creation date, and access control lists. Lotus Notes uses a transaction logging system to ensure data integrity and recover from crashes. The format is optimized for network access and collaboration. The BOX proprietary design mandates association with HCL Notes from HCL Technologies. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows can't always unpack compressed data natively, so compatible utilities must be used. To open this specific BOX file, right-click your file and select Open With. If HCL Notes is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If the BOX file still will not open, there is no need to stress. We need to act fast after that failed attempt. Let's transition immediately into these 3 crucial steps for error isolation. First, use Email Client. Open the file using a compatible email client, e.g. Mozilla Thunderbird, Eudora, that supports the mailbox format. Next, check associated files, ensure the corresponding mbox file is present in the same directory. Finally, open as text. Open the box file in a text editor to view the raw content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.